Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our class 6th mathematics chapter 13 practical geometry exercise 13.5. Okay, so generally this is our last exercise of 13 chapter, then after this exercise is going to be over. Okay, this chapter is only, this is related to the Telangana State Board. Okay, so overall, what we are going to learn in this exercise, actually, we already know about the uses of compass. In the exercise 13.4, we know about the uses of compass, how you have to use the compass, how you have to draw the any angles using the compass. We already know about it. Okay. Now in this exercise, we are going to solve this one. Okay. So it is telling construct angle 60 degree. Okay. Now we have to construct angle 60 degree without using protector. We don't have to use the protector. Then we have to make the angle. So if we have if we have protector only, then what is it necessary to draw it without this protector we have to do? So some student will do cheat here. Actually I also do that. Okay, now when I was in, yeah, in that class, so when it is telling construct angle 60 degree without protector, so I made with protector only, and then after I just mark with that mark with that, okay, now compass. But I will teach you both of things. Okay, na? How you can you without using protector, how you can make angle 60 degree, how you can make, that's a very simple. Nothing, just make a straight line. Okay, na? Just take a straight line. Okay, na? Here you have to take a one line, a straight line. Okay, na? Just take a straight line, like this is a straight line. Okay, this is protector is there, na? In this protector, mark the angle, like from here. I will tell you from here to here. This is only cheating only. Don't think it is like that. It is 60 degree, right? Now put marker here and one marker here, like that. One is like that. Okay. Now take here and now. Okay, na? Generally from here that side. Okay. So if you see this both line are intersecting here only, na? So the 60 angle will be 60 degree angle will be here only, like that. Now you can measure it. Okay, na? Okay. Okay, so exactly it's something here. Okay, na, but because of these lines it will be, but generally it is here. Okay, na, so you can draw like that also, but otherwise you need a simple. So just do one thing, just forgot this one, I erase this because that's going to be okay. And simple, this is given simple. Here just put a dot, one line is there. Now count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 degree. Here it is 60, just do like that. Okay, over. This is 60 degree angle, that's the going to be over. Okay, so you can do after that. Actually when I was in childhood, I do like that. I put one like that here, and I just do like that here, like that, and one line like that I will do, and now here I will do like that, here like that here, and like that here. I will cross this line. So now it is without using I made this. Okay, I do like that in my childhood, but don't do like that. Okay, now if you don't want to draw, if you don't know how to draw without protector, so just do this one and you can make me like that also. Okay, otherwise you use this protector and make the angle and just put it here, and you can just cross this. Okay, right. So let's talk about the second question. Look at in the second question, construct an angle 120 degree with using the protector and compass. You can use compass, protector here, compass no need. If protector you will use, and just make 120 degree. It's simple, nothing in this one. Okay, so let's print this one. So here this is one dot, put like that, a straight line. Okay, 120 degree. Now count here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. We have to take this line only. Okay, this is, we are going from this side. Okay, this side we have to go. Okay, now don't go from here, 0, 10, not here. This side we are not going, from here, 0, 10. Okay, now 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 110, 120 it is given here. Okay, so 120 is given here, put one dot here, like that, and now just join that point. Okay, now okay, join this, it's going to be over. Okay, now this angle is 120 degree over this. Okay, now it's very simple. Okay, so let's come to the third question. So this third question, construct the flowing angles using the ruler or compass with the stick by stick. Okay, now so we have to make this angle 75, 15 and 105 using this. Okay, now so now let's do this one. So let's, first question, it is 75 degree now, so let's make So this is angle. Okay, this is one is here, just put like that one, and then one line, then after 75 degree here, just put like that. Okay, do like that. This is angle 75 degree. Over. Now we have to write the answer also. Okay, now we have to write step by step. So first step is there. Okay, now in the first step, what you have to write? You have to write draw a line here. Simple. Draw a line. Okay, na? First step, draw a line. We drawn. Okay. In the second step, you can write. In the second step, what you are going to write? You write place the point of the compass. Okay, now place the point of the compass. Okay, na? Compass. Okay, generally. Okay, that's simple. Draw a line like that. Place the compass angle like 75 we did. In the step 3, what we are going to do in the step 3, with the pointer join the line. Okay, now with the pointer, with the point join the line. Okay, so you can draw like that. First draw a line. Here we draw, place the point of the compass like where 75 degree. First I drawn the line. Here I draw, then place it the compass point, then after join it. Okay, simple. Step 3, draw a line, place the point, join the line. Simple. Make a line, make the point, join the line. Over. This is a 3 step, but in your textbook it is given differently, right? Draw a line like the angle name is given A and L. Okay, in your textbook is given draw a line, the angle is that is the A and, okay, just do like that here. Okay, so that's going to be A and L. Okay, then it's telling that after that place the point. So let's suppose this point is here, this point is C, then after join that point A, just join the point angle line A and C. So it is telling like that, but don't do such type of things, just 3 steps that over. Okay, now 15 degree angle we have to create. Okay, now so let's talk about this. This is how much? 15 degree. Okay, now 15 degree. This is our compass. This is our first line. Draw the line. First draw the line. Step 1 here, right? Step 1, draw the line. Okay, step 2, point the angle. So where it is? 50 degree, 15 degree na. So this is 5, 15 is here, 15 degree. Now join this. Now step 3, join the line, join the point. Okay na, join the point. Simple. Over. So how much? What is the angle? 15 degree. Now this is 105 degree. It's telling 105 degree, third one. So let's do this. 105 degree. So step 1, make a line, okay, like that. Here, show that here. Okay, so this is our compass. We make one line. Okay, in the step 2, point the angle, it is 105, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This is 105 here. Now step 3, join the line, join the point. Okay, simple. You can join this. Okay, this is going to be 105 degree. Over. Okay, now so generally you can do like that. This is a third question. It's clear. Okay, now I hope this one is clear. Nothing, you can write this steps like that. Okay, don't worry. Over. Now here this third question is telling draw the angle given in the question number 3. In this question number 3, whatever the angle is given as 25, 15, we have to draw that angle. That's we have to draw in here only. Like this is 75 degree angle, which is already here. You have to draw this angle in question number 4. Okay, now like 15 degree angle. This is you have to draw this into the fourth question. Okay, this is 105 degree angle. You have to draw this angle into the where you have to draw this into the fourth one. Okay, so in this question number, in the question number 4, whatever angles which we did in this question number 3, you have to all these angles you can draw in question number 4. You can directly whatever angles are there now, 15-degree angles, this angle and that angle, whatever angle these are there now, you can just copy that angle and you can paste it here. Okay now, right? So here you can draw like that here. Okay, you can draw easily, so that's why I'm leaving this. Okay, now here you're looking at this 75-degree angle, 150-degree 15-degree angle, 105-degree angle. This all angles you draw here. Okay, same as it is you can draw. Okay, that's why I'm leaving this fourth question. Okay, is it clear? So let's talk about this question. So this question telling that construct ABC has a 50-degree angle and draw the another angle XYZ equal to the ABCD without using protractor. So this is telling that you have to construct, we have to construct angle ABC which is 50-degree. Okay, let's do this. This is our, okay, so show that here, come. Okay, right, so something there. Okay, right, so now this is 50-degree angle we have to draw. So this is point, this is okay. Now after that 50-degree, 50 is here, 0 10 20 30 40 50 is here, just here. Okay, now join this line. So you can join like that. Okay, so let's suppose this is A, this is B and this is C. The angle is 50-degree. Because why B is middle? Because B in the middle, and that's why it's always in the middle. Then after A, B, C. Okay, don't make like this. This is A, this is B, this is C. It's going to be wrong. Okay, now because B in the middle, now this B in the middle, that's why put in the middle only. Okay, is it clear? Now you have to create another angle also. You have to create another angle, that is X, Y and Z, which is always equal to the 50-degree only, which is equals to the AB only. You have to create. So that question will be interesting. You have to create without using a scale, without using this protector. So you will use this one. Okay, let's do this. How you can use? Simple. For the using this, just make a straight line. Make a straight line like that. You get a straight line one is there now. In this straight line, do one thing. This is your compass. Okay, now here measure it, how many is there. From here it's measure the distance, so it is like that here, and how much here we don't know. So let's here just do this like that. Now from here to here just measure what is the distance, like that. So now here you can measure like that. Okay na? Okay, now so there it is going to be. So what I am doing here, I make a straight line. After the straight line, I measure this one, I measured this one, I measured, I just drawn here. After that what I did, I measured the distance. What is the distance there? So I measure the distance. After measuring the distance, I just from here to here I intersected here. So what is it going to be here? It means that that's going to be in this position. Okay, in this position it will be. So the here it is. So this is our 50-degree angle. Over? Yes, it's over. Okay, right, so this question is over. So let's talk about this sixth question. So it is telling that this is also very easy. Construct angle DBC 60-degree bisector and each of these following protector. So we have to create 60-degree angle and bisector also. Okay, so generally what I am going to do, just listen. See here, 60-degree angle you have to draw. Okay, so this is your point. So here it is point, from here a straight line. Then after what is 60-degree angle? So this is 60-degree. Okay, put here like that. Now just join these lines. Okay, and this line is how much? This is total 60-degree. Over it is. And now this is E, this E is in the middle. Now put E like that. This is going to be T, this is going to be F, and you have to create bisector. So bisector is total A, this angles you're looking at, that's the bisector, that's the bisector. Okay, that's going to be bisector, right? So I hope this question is going to be clear. Whatever in this chapter, everything is going to be ended here only. Everything is ended here. Okay, each and every questions we explained, everything is going to be end. So I hope this chapter is going to be very clear, because is this exercise don't have any answer. Okay, now this exercise don't have any particular answer. That's why the answer is not given, because if you measure, your answer is different, my answer is different, your whatever your teacher is there, if they teach you, their answer have to be different. If you ask your brother answer have to be also different. So that's why the answer is not given in your textbook. Okay, now everybody, how many members do this exercise, each person different answer they get. Okay, but exactly nearby is that one only. Okay, now that's why. So this chapter 13 is totally completed. In the next video we are going to talk about chapter 14. Okay, now which we are going to do in the our board only. Okay, in the whiteboard we are going to do that. Okay, so I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you. So we are going to meet into the next video. Jai Hind.